Hey guys, welcome back to another video, man. Today's video is gonna be about the Camaro ZL1, guys. As you guys do know, it went into the shop the other day, and guys, you won't believe what the cost it was to fix this car. Now, the only problem that I had out of it was the coolant was reading a little bit too high, so they had to replace a hose. But guys, I want you to guess how much this hose costs for the ZL1 Camaro, guys. So what we're gonna do, guys, I don't want to spend too much of talking. We're about to head and get in the car. My wife gonna take me up there, and that way I can show you guys what the ZL1 look like.
Yeah. Middle fingers up, I don't care about opinions. Yeah. Alright. I ain't more concerned with stacking these figures. Yeah. No, I'm not concerned with none of these bitches.
I'm getting my mask.
She called my phone and I ain't trying to hear it. I'm on the way right now. I'm making plans right now.
Alright. Alright guys, so as you can see, man, we over here at K's Auto House. We're about to go see what's going on with the Camaro, man. They're doing all right?
Yeah, what's up?
Pretty good, man. What you up to?
About to go drop off a customer car.
Okay. Which one you finna drop off?
ISF.
This thing nice, man.
It's clean.
It's clean, man. What's going on inside? It's got carbon fiber pieces inside? It does?
Carbon fiber steering wheel.
Oh, shoot, man. Let me check this thing out, man.
It's got exhaust on it, too. It's not
I like these wheels, too. These wheels are staggered, right?
Yep.
Ferrata, yeah, those are nice, man. Got the carbon fiber lip on here. There you go. Y'all see that steering wheel on there? That's the same one I kind of want to get for this car with the
nice,
flat
man.
bottom. Yeah.
It feels good. Same one I got on that one right there.
Oh yeah. That's sick, man. He even got the Tesla screen too. That's what's up, man. Hey, if you guys end up wanting to come to the shop, man, make sure you go check out, what's your name?
K's Auto House.
K's Auto House, man. Y'all make sure y'all go check with this guy, man. He does great work, man. So I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Hey, let's go up in here, y'all. See what's going on. Hey, Miss Sheila, how you doing? Pretty good. Pretty good.
How's that baby?
Oh, she's growing. She's growing. Guys, if you need anything done to your vehicles, man, if you have foreign cars, regular cars, anything, guys, if you need anything, come to K's Auto House. I'm going ahead and show y'all the car right here. This is K's Auto House, and you come talk to Miss Sheila. Address is 128 Wilson Road, Humble, Texas. Y'all see it on there, man. Y'all come mess with them. They always do great work, man, and they take care of me. So yeah, y'all come see them.
It's all leaking.
Oh wow. This is a oil coolant inlet hose, guys. So this is the part that that was leaking right here, right?
You
So
replace that in the fitting.
I guess it goes inside here, and it was leaking out. But it was crazy because I never seen any leaks on the ground or anything. So that was kind of weird. That was kind of weird to me. So was this part leaking as well, or no?
Don't believe so. You want to grab him?
Yeah, that'd be cool. He's out there? Okay. Oh, he's the one that worked on it. How's it going, man? Doing all right?
Yep.
Cool. No, I was trying to give you a dap.
Okay,
Yeah, I was trying to give you a dap.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
How you doing? I'm Devin, man. I got a YouTube channel. So
Okay, cool.
But yeah. So this piece, man, where was it leaking from? Do you know?
Right from in here, like if you take this out, yeah, it was leaking right
From right up in there,
here,
that tip.
Yeah, we replaced both.
Okay.
Just because this has an O-ring in here.
Okay.
So that's why we replaced this.
Okay.
And I don't want to risk it.
Okay.
And maybe this could have been leaking too, so I just replaced that too together at the same time.
Okay.
And,
Okay.
Yeah.
So what like causes that? Like, you think it'll happen again, or?
It's just age, really. Yeah, but you gotta drive it.
Okay.
Yeah, that car
Okay.
is meant to be driven.
Okay.
You know, that's why it's,
Right. I would hate to do it,
Yeah.
you know, but yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to take it to the track every now and then. Yeah.
So if you just let it sit, you're definitely gonna have leaks and stuff. Just 'cause
Okay.
Nothing's moving, nothing's going.
Right. So yeah, guys, man, if y'all need anything done as far as K's Auto House, And man, they gonna get you right, man. What's your phone number here?
He has it in the back of the shirt.
He has it.
Yeah.
He has it right here, guys, right there on the back of his shirt, man. Y'all come check him out. They do a lot of good work. As you can see, they work on anything, man. They got BMW. They have, I don't know what kind of car that is, but that is freaking sick. They got a G-Wagon over here as well. They got a supercharged Land Rover. They got a Porsche over here. This is LS3. Okay, this is my favorite Porsche right here, man. This is a
Track car.
Track car? Yeah, that's what I meant. I'm sorry.
Yeah, okay,
Track
yeah.
car. Okay, okay.
The owner just wanted to put an LS3 in it.
Okay.
Blew up the original motor in it.
Oh shoot. Ah, dog,
He's like,
man.
just throw an LS3 in it. So
Yeah. So as you guys can see, man, they have a LS3 in here, and this is gonna be a track car. So nice Ferrari right here. 308 GTS. This is sick, man. Look at the seats, man. Still got the fur on the seats. That's crazy. Let me get that from you, man. I know you ain't gotta be holding it. But yeah, man, look at the seats, guys. They still got the fur on them. That's crazy. Is that original fur?
Yep.
That is crazy. What year is this car? 70 something. It still run pretty good.
Yeah. Okay. This has a leak right now. We're just waiting on the part. It's just really hard to find this part.
Really hard to find.
That's why
Okay.
we still have it.
Okay. Oh shoot. Track car. So
It's a regular Jeep.
it's a regular Jeep, guys. But man, as y'all can see, man, they do everything. They got all types of cars here. So they do it all, man. They got engines sitting over there. G-Wagon right here. They got this sick looking thing right here. This is pretty damn sick. I would love to have one of these. That is sick, man.
There's a Miata.
Miata?
But we just J-swapped it.
Okay,
So we're
okay,
still trying to get that together.
okay. Yeah, man. I'm gonna have to talk with y'all about engine swaps, man, and stuff.
We're actually, that engine was actually in that one.
Oh, that engine right
Yeah,
there?
because that one overheated. Head gas got blown, so
Oh, shoot.
it was
Okay.
cheaper to just replace the engine than to
Right.
actually do all
Okay, okay. So guys, I'm about to wrap this up. I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute. I'm gonna let y'all know how much everything costs when I get home. All right, guys, this will be the first cold start of the ZL1, man. Oh yeah, man. Woo, that thing loud, man. Super loud. All right, guys. So I wanted to end this video out, man. Let me let you know how much I spent, guys. I spent on that little coolant hose that you seen, guys. I want to let y'all know, just in case if you have Camaros or Camaro SS's or ZL1s, I just want to let y'all know that little part, man, costed me $367. It was even more, guys, but Miss Sheila, man, she's a good lady. She cut me a deal, man. She does great work. Y'all go check them out if y'all need anything dealing with your vehicle, anything like motor swaps, motor transmissions, all that good stuff, guys. So I would really recommend them because they treat your car like it's theirs. They will not be doing anything crazy, taking it on joy rides and nothing like that. I really trust them with all my vehicles. So y'all go mess with them, man. Give them a good review on everything they do. And yeah, man, I appreciate y'all. This is the end of the video. I'm about to go take care of some things with my wife and my kids. So hey, man, I appreciate y'all for taking your time out to watch my video, man. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up on every video I post, man, and hit that notification bell on, guys, so you won't miss out on anything I post. I love you guys. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
If it ain't authentic, I don't want it.
Concerned with stacking these figures. Yeah, no, I'm not concerned with none of these bitches. Yeah, she called my phone and I ain't trying to hear it. I'm on the way.